Welcome to ARC Solution, your go-to destination for all things related to technology and software solutions. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with expert insights, tips, and tutorials to help you navigate the constantly evolving world of technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for tuning in to ARC Solution.
वेलकम बैक गाइस इन ARK सॉल्यूशन चैनल में। आज हम लेके आ रहे हैं PLC SIM एडवांस वर्जन 5। PLC SIM एडवांस वर्जन 5 इज़ द वेरी यूजफुल टूल टू सिमुलेट द PLC from the series 1500, and you can create the multiple PLC at a times. So first of all, we need to download the PLC SIM advanced version 5. So let's start. First of all, you need to go the link PLC SIM advanced. So I'll describe to where you can get the links. So in PLC SIM advanced version 5, you can click here and you can get the mega file. You can download from here. So I'll just click on the download. So it will be the starting download, and once the downloading is completed, download is completed, it will show reflected in the your download. I have already downloaded. It is the near about the 850 MB, so I don't want to be waste times. So and the link for the downloading I'll share to you on the video. So once it is downloaded, it is ISO file, so you can double click and put it on the OneDrive. So ISO file in the Windows 10 directly make it the simple drive. You can start here. So it will go for the initialize. It will start to initialize. It will take some time. Then this windows comes to start the initialize. Just go for the next. So it's showing modify and update. So I have the version 3, so I'll just go for the update PLC SIM advanced, but it is same steps for the installation. Then accept, go for the next only. Then accept for the PLC SIMs, modify. So it will take some time to install it. Time is depends upon your laptop RAMs. Just keep for the license transfer. So we don't have the right now the license. So you have to purchase your own license. You have to purchase your own license. Almost all steps are finished. Then the last steps. So installation is done right now. So I'll not go for the restart my PC. Then you can check here PLC SIM advance is installed. You can check here version PLC SIM advance version 5. You can create here 1500. So this is new 1500 RH CPU. You can create SP and Pro. Okay, so it is the PLC. So need to be activate license. you can see here we have done created one PLC which is in the PLC sim. Thank you guys.